We're in Usuki town near Oita, and this is our ferry to Shikoku, to a town called Yawatahama in Ehime Prefecture. I guess we're going all the way to the front. All right.
First.
Bad spot to eat lunch. Nice view out there. Headed to Shikoku, Ehime, one of my favorite places I've always wanted to visit. And we're gonna drive down to Kochi. All right, we made it to Hanmura campsite in Kochi Prefecture, Shikoku. What a drive. The mountains in this place are super steep everywhere. It's just mountains the whole way. And there's the famous Niyodogawa River. It's got some of the bluest water and purest, cleanest water in Japan. It's just a beautiful river, and it goes for miles. It's a famous trout fishing place, and I'm gonna try my luck down there. I'm gonna walk down over there here a little bit and maybe do a little fishing in the morning before we head to the next place. Yep, this is it. All right, we're coming up to the river now. Look at all these amazing cobblestones on the bank of the Niyodogawa River. Try a little bit of fast water first here, and then there's lots of places where the water's calm, like there. I got some different trout lures. We're gonna fish for yamame. And there's IU in here, and rainbows, trouts, nijimas. Quite a bit of different species of fish in here. So, oh, this water is beautiful. Wow. Anyway, we'll get set up and then let's see what we can do. So Shikoku is infamous for its roads where you could be on a wide 2-lane highway and then out of nowhere you're just cruising highway speed and then bam, it just becomes 1 lane like this through the mountains without warning, like literally, and no street lights. So driving through here in the dark, if you don't know what you're doing, you got to be super careful. So I'm on a 1-lane road, and this is actually a national highway, but it just becomes 1 lane for right now, and it'll widen up later. But yeah, it's pretty insane. Like if a car's coming, there's no way I can't go, you know, back up 10 miles. So, and just like that, it widens up again back to a big highway. It's amazing. But yeah, that river is beautiful though. We're leaving Shikoku, and this is the bridge to Awajijima in what is that prefecture? Hyogo.